How to find tabs settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find tabs settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and now just click here, this one in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, now all you need to do is just click this one here, just 3 points in top corner, and as you see here you will find this one tab settings, and you can find here secret mode settings, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.